We are huge fans of Waterdrop, and they sent us this under the sink filtration system for our review. This thing is full stainless steel. This is the first one of its kind in our household. Never seen this before, and I love the fact that it is stainless steel. It's extremely durable, very heavy duty. Love the fact that this thing will basically mount or live literally under your sink. You don't even have to mount it if you don't want to. It literally will stand like this, and it does come with all of the hoses that you need, the water clips as well, and the adapters to adapt it to your sink. So how does this work and what does it do? Well, first of all, let's talk about the hoses, because I love the fact that the inlet hoses right here have I've never seen this before. Usually you'll have the screw, you put on the Teflon tape, which by the way, they do include, which is a really nice thing. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Look at that. It is dummy proof. You just put it in there and it's there, it's stuck. Obviously, I would add the actual hose clip right here and make sure that it's nice and tight, but this is not going anywhere. By the way, little trick, if you do want to disconnect it, all you need to do is push this down, and I'll do that with my thumb. So you push that gray part down, and then this will basically just like dislodge automatically. So you do have two filters. So this is a dual filtration system. What does it do? Basically takes care of TDS, which is like the bigger sediments, and also, which is really nice, odors and taste. So if you do have water problems or water issues and your water main brings you water that might be kind of like has a weird color, maybe has a weird taste, and God forbid has a weird odor, well, this will definitely help you because it is a dual system. The water from your main is going to come right here, go all the way up and fill this canister right here that has a filter in here. And then you will have another, I hope you guys can see this part here, this here where that water is gonna come out from here and go into this second canister and get like a second filtration, basically, because it is a dual filtration. And then from then on, you will have, this will be your clean water, your filtered water, and then you'll obviously be able to adapt it and put it into your cold main or cold water faucet, and then boom, you're done. Now, one thing I want to show you and how this actually works is this canister here, and it's a little hard when I'm right here like that. There you go. This is where you change those filters, and I will show you both filters. It's really cool. Look at this. This is the second filter right here. And this is the first filter. I'm going to show you that right here, because this is what you need to change every so often. So if the water becomes, they do say if the water obviously goes back to the same color, obviously it's time to change your filter. But the one good thing you'll notice, even before all of that happens, is if the water pressure changes, you know it's time to change those filters, which is a good indication, right? All you need to do is basically, once you get those filters in, I'll make sure that that O-ring is down there, and then all you need to do is literally just make it tight and screw it in, because the water will flow all the way up and come out of this membrane. Then when you're done, obviously put the canisters back in, and you are good to go. You will be able to enjoy some filtered water right in your faucet sink. This thing is great. We love Waterdrop.